Hello there, Bristol Stewart here, authority sitenomad.com, and in today's video we're going to be looking at WordPress theme 3.5. That's the new theme at the time of this recording anyway, when we're recording this, and it'll be on the website brucestewart.org, and we're going to look at the dashboard and look at the appearance tab where the theme is, and we're going to look at a plugin called YouTube Shortcode, because we're going to put a YouTube video in there as well, and we're going to put an image in there. The content is already in the page. We're going to put a large image in the page from our image folder, and we're going to put a video in the page from YouTube. So I'll move that away and we won't stay on YouTube. Now this is the theme here. This is the blog itself. It's simplistic, of course, and it's will be in this testing page with for Rod Frenchman. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And we'll be putting the image in there. So we'll go to the dashboard, which is here. Get rid of that. And we can go down and we got to look at the appearance tab and at the themes. We're in the themes. And here's the theme here. It's a default theme that comes with the WordPress 3.5, and it's called 2012. That's the new default theme. And here's some other themes in here. And there's one called responsive I was playing around with, and these are other two that come default with WordPress anyway. Now it's a 2012 theme, and it's fully responsive theme that looks great on any device. And I've checked it with iPad and iPhone or smartphone, and the website comes up very nice with this particular theme. So I'm real excited about this theme, and it's great advancement for our WordPress.org people. So for our self-hosted sites, we can put a site up. We have a simplistic theme that's not cluttered or anything, and it's fully responsive. So to me, that is great. So we'll go along and we look at the plugins section. There's not many plugins in here. I'll open up the plugins and I'll show you that we have a YouTube shortcode plugin in here, and that's available for any theme. If you change a theme around or anything like that, you can use the YouTube shortcode for putting your YouTube video in. So what's next? So we go to the page where it is. We'll go and navigate to the page, and the page was testing page, and it's a sub page, and we'll click on edit, and I've already got text in there, of course, prepared, and I've just got on there the name of the person, and that's the URL, the permalink. That's a very unique URL. And we're going to be saying we're placing an image on the page, and the image size is 412 by 532. So I'll scroll that through here. And what I might do is take the bookmarks off there, so we've got a bit more room on this resized screen. So here we go. We're going to add media. So what we do first is find out where we're going to put this image. So we're going to put the image close to the top, maybe. And we'll put it down a bit lower for this. So I'll place the cursor. So I'll put my cursor in there. See the cursor flashing? It's sitting in there. Then I'll go up to this Add Media tab. So I click on it. And the image is already sitting in here. But if you wanted to download the image from a folder, so you go upload the image, sorry. So you click on it and you select file, and you would select any one of those to put in there, like that one there. We can put swim goggles in there, which we won't be using, of course. Then we can put in here insert into page, like that. And then we'll scroll down, and there's the image, Speedo swim goggles. Righto, but we won't use that. We don't like that one. So we click here, delete the image. Don't like it. The cursor's still flashing, still sitting there. we want to put another image in there. So we'll add image again, and the image that's in our library, because there's a little tab there with a little drop down arrow, so that means we're in our library section and we're not in our upload files section. And you can insert from a URL, which we won't be doing just at this stage of the game. So we're going to click on this. It's clicked, one is selected. We go over here, don't worry about anything on there at this stage. It's a line left, so we leave it a line left. And we just insert into page. And there it goes. I'll scroll the bar down so we can see it fully. Scroll this down as well. I'll just see if I can minus that a little bit. So we get into view. So there's our image, and there's the text around it. So what we do now is we can go and put some tag. We can take the headline out, copy that, whatever your headline is. We'll go back to our image and click on the top left hand side, or click anywhere, and up the top left hand side there's a little window here called edit image. So we click on the edit image. So there you go, the image is at 100%. We can bring it down if we want to see how it looks, but we'll leave it at 100% of that particular size. So I'll just move this into frame a bit more, and we can put the title there, whatever the title is, and the alt text we put in here as well, the same thing, and we put a caption if we like underneath it, but we won't do that. And what we'll do is we don't worry about that just at this stage with the link URL, and we can update, click the update. So what we've done is we're updated, and now what we'll do is we'll go and have a look. We're going to update. We're going to update it. See, it's updating. Preview. We're going to preview. So we click on, I won't worry about that. We'll use this, go this stage first. Right click, open link in new tab. So I'm opening the link in a new tab. That's how you can preview it. And let's have a look what we got here. This is the headline and the text. There it is, sitting nicely on the left there with the text around it. And what we could do, that looks pretty good to me. So we've got that under testing. That's the main header, and Roz Frontman is the headline, is the name of the page under the main page. So we'll go back here, and I just have to mention that. On the right hand side here in page attributes, we're on testing page. Of course, we're on testing page, and we are underneath the testing page, which is okay. Now the default template has got the sidebars on it, so if you didn't want a template with the sidebars, we could have a look and click on it, and it's a full width page template with no sidebars. So we click on that and we can update. Or we might do something else as well while we're here. What say we click on it on this little left hand side here, and we want to center it. So we center it. See, the text has gone from around it. Don't forget we got to update it. So update it. So we go back and we'll go to the file here at the top now, the tab, and then press F5, regurgitate it, and it's not working just at this stage. Did it press? Oh, I know why, silly boy. It's because it's a full template, full width template, and that's why there's no sidebar, so the text defaulted to the right hand going right across. That's how the theme is developed, to right across. So go back and have another look at it, what else we can do. We can go back here and use a default template. We'll update it, and let the wheel go around, and we're updating, and we do F5 again, and bingo, the theme, the image is in the center. So we'll leave that for now. That's all good. And what we'll do is we'll go and scroll this through, and we better go and look for a video. Where shall we put the video? We'll put the video right at the top here. Put my cursor in the left there, click it, and I'll put video in here. And I can put video here. You'll wonder why I'm doing this. And I want to put an image here, and you'll see in a sec what I'm trying to achieve. We'll put an image, because this is what I like to do as well, is use this play video image. So insert that into page again like before, and see how the words is just up the side of it. So you put your cursor against the word, the text, and you just click it a couple of times and let it go down, because we're going to put the video in there. And we click on it, we highlight it, and we can go over to the center bar here, alignment center, right, left and center, and click center. And that's chopped, come up a bit, so we just put our cursor above there, and again, and if we go, oops, Control Z, we made a mistake, Control Z, quick, we're back to normal, we'll go backspace, and that'll do. So we're going to put the video in there, and we might put that bit of text, it's dummy text. I mean, I could have video, or just like placement text, or X's or something like that. Anyway, now I'll go and for people, I have a file here. I'll bring that over. Whoops. I'll just bring that in here. And it's an example of a short code. It's a short code example. And what I will do is put the URL. I'm not doing it in this case. This is not if you're not using the theme. That's URL in there. And the title of the video goes there, right? Anyway, so that's just a little tip here that you can use a shortcode. You can find them anywhere, generally, but I'll probably have this shortcode in later on available. That's what we're doing. We're going to upload a video. So we in YouTube, we use a YouTube video for this particular case. We can use your own video you create. You can create a video yourself. Then what you do, you need someone to host the video, and of course the best place and the easiest at this present time is YouTube. So we upload the video to YouTube, and they can host it. And then it's sitting in here like this. There's a whole lot of videos in here in one of my YouTube channels, and I click on it here.
Hey everybody, it's Brendan, and I wanted to share with you a recent post that received 20...
Click that off, and my download manager pops up, but we don't need that. That's in another video I've done, how to use download manager. And we're going to scroll along here. This is a new Wordpress YouTube interface as well, dashboard. And we click on the share button, and this big thing pops up there, and we Control C. We're just going to Control C that. We'll go back to our WordPress site, and up in here there's an icon called YouTube shortcode. So we got my cursor in here. Just make sure you got the cursor in the right place where you want it, where that placement text is. Click on this YouTube shortcode, because we're going to use that one. And it says here video URL, put in there. So Control V, place that in there. Don't worry about playlist. Title, we can put a title. To leave everything else alone, then you can have a look through here. 4.3 aspect ratio, don't worry about that. Light theme, we can say we click on light theme just for the heck of it. Prevent the YouTube logo from showing, just for fun. We don't want a border. We can put a border in there and a primary color for the border. A progress bar play controls are visible. No, slide out view just after the video starts. We'll click on this here. Hide player controls. hide the player controls, autoplay the video, full screen button. We need the full screen button so we can play it as a full screen. And there's a whole lot of little things, a lot of these things you don't worry about. Nothing down there. And insert short code. We'll better hurry up. So insert short code because video is getting a bit long. Updated. We're updating it. And let's scroll along here. Pick the tab, F5 again, and see how much fun we can have. Okie dokie. So the video is sitting in there, looks quite nice, quite a nice size and everything like that. Simple theme, I love this theme. I've said that before. I'll say it again. And it's got a caption up the top here, click anywhere on video to play. So we can click the video.
Hey everybody, it's Brendan, and I wanted to share with you a recent post that received 27,000 likes and over 400 comments. And
I'll just mute the video while I'm talking. See this download this video? This is my download manager, and as I say, that's in another video. And I click on it, and I can download this video. See, start downloading, and here's a progress bar. It's 62 megabytes. It's downloading at 7. This is a indication here. The transfer rate at the moment is about 1,000 kilobytes a second, or 10 megabytes or whatever it is. 1,000, yeah, anyway. And that's what we're doing, and we can pause it and stop it, which we'll do at the moment. And we can go along to the download manager later and restart it. So that's the video.
And I responded, well, what of them?
Doesn't that look
They're
nice,
not
do you
going to
think?
go away. The question is, are they winning the day?
There you are. There's your video, and there's your image, and there's the rest of the post. And of course you can do a lot more formatting, SEO, on-page optimization, which we won't do at the moment because that's all we had to do for this little exercise in this video. We put a large image on the page, putting a video on the page, and we used the site brucestewart.org. So, getting back to everything, we've done everything. Yes, we have. So, it's Bruce Stewart here from Authority Site Nomad signing off on this video, and we want to catch you in another video hopefully very soon. So, bye for now.